Hi everyone! In today's video we're going to be delving into the symbolism surrounding this Japan earthquake, and it goes back to Revelation 12 of the Bible. You can check it out on this one Bible Hub website. See Revelation 12 of the King James Bible, where it mentions this woman going up against this dragon. This dragon is known as the fifth angel, Satan. This guy looking like a clown on this Illuminati card game cover. That's Satan right there. See the 5? Because he's the fifth angel. So, basically, right, it says, and the earth helps the woman, and the earth opened up her mouth and swallowed up the flood which the dragon cast out of his mouth. So that's Satan casting it out of his mouth. But it mentions the earth, just like, that's right, the earthquake. So, see the 5 again in 2015, and even the 11.5 there. This 11.5 and 11.3, that's got to do with earthquakes as well. And then even the 5 in the 50 right there. So, Satan is known as the man of, Satan is known as the man of perdition, right? And essentially, he's meant to take his clown mask off to reveal himself. So it's just like in this one video called I Pet Goat 2, where George Bush essentially takes his mask off to reveal himself as the same entity as Obama. Because Satan is possessing George Bush, Obama, even Trump. He probably possessed all of the presidents. That shark right there, that represents the beast out of the sea that is mentioned in the Bible. Revelation 13. See this heavenly woman right here? That represents the woman of Revelation 12. See how she's wearing white for heaven there? Hands there, see? Basically, this woman that is mentioned here. So, remember, she's wearing white, and so is she. That's very important that you remember that. Because, look who else is wearing white. That's right, the YouTuber AshtonBirdie, otherwise known as AshtonBirdie. So you see how they're both wearing white for heaven, and they're both blondes, because they represent the same person, that Rev 12 woman. So, even if we go back to even Captain Marvel, Carol Danvers, she has blonde hair, and she's wearing a white shirt as well, because she represents the Rev 12 woman as well. That's right, AshtonBirdie represents the same person as Carol Danvers. Even AshtonBirdie changed her Twitter profile picture so that it shows her with a white shirt, confirming that symbolism even more through there. So, this guy is Spider-Man. He represents me. And then the Hadron Collider gets switched on. That's what that represents right there. So, when Iron Man's got his shades on, he represents Bush. But when he takes his shades off, he represents Obama. Because he's taking his shades off, just like Satan is supposed to take his mask off, his clown mask off. That's right, Iron Man represents Satan. They want you to see him as your hero, but in reality he's a villain, because he supplied the terrorists with weapons. There's a reason that the shades are black. It's because Obama has black skin. So, don't you see? She's called AshtonBirdie because it's got to do with this bird shown here. The eagle of Revelation 12. Two wings of a great eagle, that she might fly into the wilderness, into her place, where she is nourished for a time, and times, and half a time, from the face of the serpent. The serpent is basically Satan. So remember the serpent in the Garden of Eden? Remember the forbidden apple in the Garden of Eden? She's got it here, see? So, 2015 Economist cover, it has Alice in Wonderland on it. This is supposed to represent the Revelation 12 woman, Ashton Whitty, Carol Danvers, Captain Marvel. She's blonde. And so is she. See? Even this one person called Kezia Povey, who was on X Factor, well, she's still on it at the moment, she represents the Rev 12 woman as well. That's right, she represents her. And her. See how she's blonde? See how she's blonde? See? That symbolism perfect through there. So, please support her. She's a very talented singer and performer. And see how she's 15? Going back to that 5 for the 5th age again. See? 15 right there. Perfect symbolism through there. 15, blonde girl. 15, blonde girl. Perfect. Right. So basically, thank you very much for retweeting me, by the way, Kezia. So, more symbolism right here. The Rev 12 woman, Alice in Wonderland, Mia Wasikowska, with her blonde hair, she's wearing white for heaven. You think I'm crazy? She actually played Alice in Wonderland in the Tim Burton movies. So, see Jesus Christ, Captain America, with a beard, and he's wearing blue, because he's on the good side. See? Robert Pattinson, the vampiric being from Twilight. He represents your Vladimir Putin. That's why he wears black, for the evil and the darkness. He's your Dark Knight. He's your Tony Stark character. Don't forget, that guy is your Supreme Leader Snoke Kylo Ren. The darkness, the evil. That's what he represents. So, don't forget, you can still order my novel, The Story of Wittenborough. Check it out on Amazon. That's the best place you can buy it. Or Waterstones.